sharks came back. Four little sharks swam out to play, dancing with bubbles along the way. Mama shark said swish, 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 but only three little sharks came back. Three little sharks swam so fast, zooming by fish they passed. Mama shark said swish, 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 but only two little sharks came back. Two little sharks played in the sun, jumping through waves and having fun. Mama shark said swish, 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 but only one little shark came back. One little shark felt all alone near a coral reef of stone. Mama shark said swish, 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 and soon that little shark came back. Mama shark smiled big and wide, calling her babies to her side. Swish, 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 she called with cheer, and all five little sharks were here. Five little sharks now safe and sound, swimming and twirling all around. They sing and play both day and night. Ocean light feels happy and bright. Count them with me, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.